Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dynamic FAQ section in Webflow. This is perfect for addressing common questions from your users. So let's get into it. First, decide if you want your FAQs to be static or dynamic. We'll create a dynamic FAQ using the CMS. Go to CMS panel and click Add Collection. Name the collection FAQs and add fields. Question, which is in plain text, and answer in rich text. Add your FAQ items by clicking New FAQ and filling in the question and answer. Now navigate to the page where you want to display the FAQs. Drag a collection list onto the canvas and bind it to the FAQs collection. Inside the collection list, add a div block to serve as the FAQ item wrapper. Within the div block, add a text block for the question and a rich text element for the answer. Style the question text to stand out. Maybe make it bold or larger. To create an accordion effect so that the answers are hidden until clicked, set the answer's initial display. Add an interaction. Select the question text block. Then go to the Interactions panel and add a mouse click tab interaction. For on first click, set the answer to display block and add a fade-in animation. For on second click, set the answer back to display none. Test the interaction to ensure it works. Style your FAQ section to match your site's design. And that's it. You've created a dynamic FAQ section in Webflow. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Links are in the description. I'll see you next time.